Howdy folks, welcome to another episode of Fish and GrubbZ. We out here today. We're going to be doing this nice little cook of the catch we made. So what we're going to do is we're going to fillet this bitch up right here in the parking lot of this there hotel we're staying at. And then we're going to go back to the old house there. And we're going to cook this bitch up. See, this is just a cook video for all y'all to just join us this time around, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fillet these guys up. Why don't you join us? Come along. All right, here we go. We're gonna get filleting on these fish here. Now, we lost our fillet knife and I have no idea where it might have went. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these fish, I'm gonna fillet them up, we're gonna put them in some water. Then we're gonna cut them up little chunks and then we're gonna put them in our Ziploc bags and put them in the fridge upstairs. And tomorrow before we leave, we're gonna get some ice and ice them down all day before we go. Alright, that's number one. Now we're gonna get here number two, which is a little bit bigger of a snakehead. We're gonna fillet this bitch right up and then we're gonna throw this bitch right in the water here. And that's gonna be it. We're gonna put this in the fridge upstairs and then we're gonna see you back at home and we're gonna cook this, alright? Let's just fillet this bitch up right here, okay? Well, alright boys and girls, she's all filleted up. We got all our fillets in here. I'll wash up this cutting board, cut them up into little pieces. We're gonna take them upstairs and really wash them up, put them in that fridge bag right there, okay? We'll see you back in the house. Alright y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Now we're gonna take these some bitches that we caught and we're gonna cook these babies up right now, right here. Now first thing we got our Brussels sprouts. Now we took these and we sliced them up nice. And we got our zucchini, we took these, we sliced them up nice. And we got some shallots here, and we sliced these up nice. Right now it's about a medium temperature, it's starting to actually get real nice and hot. We're gonna get ourselves a little butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw these Brussels sprouts in, and they're gonna take the long. We're gonna throw them in the plate right now. We're gonna give them a nice little stir. Now while we're getting these vegetables done, what we're going to do is we're going to heat up this oil here for the fish. We're going to shake and make the fish while we're getting the vegetables done, okay? Now take these shallots and toss them sons of bitches in there right now. I'm going to take this zucchini here, we're going to toss them bitches in right now. Now how about that? Now, to test your oil, what you're going to want to do is just put a drop of water in there. Well, that oil's already ready for them fishes. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to take some of this minced garlic. Yeah, we'll just toss that bitch right on in. Really appreciate y'all coming in and visiting us today in the kitchen. You're gonna go ahead and get your salt and pepper in there with those vegetables. And while everything else is going, we're gonna cover this pot up, okay? Now we have here our shake and bake mixture. We don't even know if this is gonna work out or not. Now what we did is we took some tortilla chips and we tossed them in this bag here, and then we crunched them bitches up real fine. Then we put some tempura mix right on in there too. Now it says you're supposed to use water, but I'm just gonna do it the way I want to do it. We put some Old Bay in there. We went right on up to Mary. Got that Old Bay. Put that in there too. Got some garlic. And salt and pepper, of course. We're always gonna have salt and pepper. We actually should probably put butter in here too, but I don't think we're gonna do that today. These here are the lovely snakehead that Mr. Fishing Grubb's caught. We're gonna go ahead and put this right in here. Snake and bake, baby. Snake and bake. Get these all battered up in there. And then some bitches ready to go. Now, what I like to do when I'm frying, I like to put a nice paper towel down there. That way, those greasy fish nuggets have somewhere to go. So what we want to do here is we want to fry these bitches up nice and golden brown, and then we're done. Alright y'all, I believe the fish is done, at least some of it. This here is my very first taste of this lovely, lovely fish. Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet, sweet Geraldine, that is good. That sandwich needs some more Old Bay. Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to make our sauce here. We have some sweet chili sauce, compliments of Mr. Raw Fishing himself. What we're going to do is we're going to pour this bitch right in here. Like so. Take the old cocks off there. Your sriracha there. Like our shit. Now we like ours nice and spicy now, don't we? And that's how we make our sauce. I'm gonna stir this son bitch. Let's try it with the sauce. Oh my goodness. Wow. Little dingle, little dangle. My sweet Lord, baby Jesus. 9 pound, 8 ounce baby Jesus. This might be the most wonderful fish I have ever had in my life. Alright y'all, I'm gonna get to plating up all the food here for me and the missus. I just wanted to thank y'all for joining Reginald Grubb here today on this episode of Fishing GrubbZ. If y'all could do me a favor, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then lightly touch that bell notification so that you will be notified next time we drop one of these bangers. If y'all would like to follow them other bitches that we fished with, Fishing with Becca, One Rod, One Reel, and Raw Fishing, gonna be linked below for our trip up to New Jersey, folks. Thank y'all for joining. Fish on.